Hello everyone, this is Krishna from Linux Stuff. Today I'm here with a very interesting learning opportunity in cybersecurity domain. So if you are a student of cybersecurity, self-learner or interested in privacy and security, then this course is most probably for you. Are you willing to learn cybersecurity by the officials of US Government Security Department? If yes, then watch this video till the end. And guess what? What's special in this course? The thing is, these courses are being taught by American government. I'm talking about CISA. But wait, this is not CISA Certified Information Systems Authority. I'm actually talking about the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency. Well, you all know cybersecurity jobs now are one of the hardest jobs for students, and literally cybersecurity course can give you a lucrative career option. The demand for jobs in cybersecurity growth is unmatched in any other technology domain. Well, there are many resources online where you can learn cybersecurity, but I am going to talk about a course from US government. And this is a free certification program. This is a course from CISA. CISA is the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, is a standalone United States federal agency, an operational component under Department of Homeland Security oversight. Okay, then let's go to its website page. Now, first of all, open the browser and type cisa.gov in the URL bar. Once you go to the website, you will see this interface, and you can see the options cybersecurity, infrastructure security, and you can also see the upper side of website. It's clearly written here, an official website of the United States government. And if you don't understand or want to find a particular stuff, so you can click the option of sitemap to see the content inside the website. You can see the sitemap here. Okay, let's find that particular course. Tap to the cybersecurity option. Okay, once you open the section of cybersecurity, you can see a quick link in the center of screen, which is cybersecurity training and exercises. Just click on that link, and this interface comes. And once you click the button of how to register for training, you can see a link event catalog here. By opening the event catalog link, you will be able to see the upcoming events, live training sessions, webinar series, and cyber range challenges from this website. Okay, let's go where we were going. Click the industrial control system button. If you want more information about the ICS program, you can visit the website link us.cert.gov/ICS. Okay, if you want to register or check the modules of training, click the link of uscert.gov/ICS/training available through ICS CERT. Once you open the link, you can see the title here, training available through CISA. Web-based training available on the CISA virtual learning portal. You can see the topics below: operational security, differences in deployment, influence of common IT components on ICS, common ICS components, cybersecurity within IT and ICS domain, cybersecurity risk, current threats, and etc. As you can see below, there are no tuition costs for these courses. To register in it, tap the VLP button. By hitting the VLP button, you will be redirected to this web page. And now you have to register in it by filling the form. In this username section, just type your username. And in the email section, you can write your Gmail address, and don't worry, your registration will be approved by the end of the next day. Just simply write your first name here and the last name here. For a strong password, I basically use strong password generator because it's free to use, and I get a very strong password in just a second. You can choose your time zone here. I'm from India, so I would choose the Asia Kolkata. Now you have to choose your citizenship. You can here choose your sector where you are interested in. I would choose information technology. You can type any company or organization name you want. Now the request has been sent and you most probably will get a mail from CISA after a day. You will get a mail like this from CISA after a gap of a day. Now simply log in again. Now when you log in successfully, this interface will appear over the screen. As you can see, there are total 22 courses in the ICSVLP section. Now when you scroll down, you can see the links that have been provided by the CISA. Now you are successfully enrolled in the CISA ICS learning program. You can pursue your courses whenever you want. If you want to start learning now, just simply hit the course you want to start. Just click enroll and click start learning now. Now you can click start learning now again. Make sure that your browser allows the pop-up screen. You can now read or change your modules. Now let's get back to the home page. Now I'm gonna tell you how you can get a certificate. Go to the request for training record. As you can read here, copies of completion certificates can be requested by sending an email to this email address. What are you gonna do now? Just simply write the email about the course that you have completed and write what you have learned from the course. After that, by replying your email, they'll send you the course completion certificate, which is authorized by the government of United States. Well guys, thanks for watching this video out. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to share this informative video with your friends and colleagues.